Hi everyone, it's Daniel J. Hogan and I am back with another art supply review. Today I'm looking at the Faber-Castell Polychromos Colored Pencils. I got these locally here in Lansing at Odd Nod Art Supply. A while back I actually went in there and asked them, hey, I'm not impressed with the Prismacolor colored pencils I've been using. Can you recommend something better? And they recommended these. I've been very happy with these ever since I got them. So these are water resistant, and I just feel like they just behave a lot better than some of the Prismacolors I've used over the years. So this is just a good general assortment of various colors. Here's your basic, orange. They do mix pretty well if you're into that sort of thing. They at least, play along when it comes to mixing. And unlike, I'm not trying to dunk on Prismacolor this whole review, but I will say with these, I've never had the issues with tips breaking while drawing or sharpening like I would consistently have with Prismacolor. So if you want to try a little, because I know Prismacolor is pretty popular as far as a go-to colored pencil brand, actually, and I never would have thought of Faber-Castell until they recommended it, because I've used their inking pens for a while and those are very good, so I would not have thought to look at them for colored pencils, but I've been super happy with these, using them over the last few years. They're really good. They have some cool colors. You get this nice fancy case if that matters to you. So check them out. Let me know what you think. Make sure to like and subscribe. It does really help. I appreciate it. I do live streaming here and on Twitch Sundays and Wednesdays at 7 p.m. Eastern. That's Michigan time here. Those are my for sure times. Occasionally I'll do extra streams. Sometimes I might just have a free evening and want to play some video game or something or whatever. So the best way to keep up to date with things is to, if you don't subscribe to YouTube, if you do, you'll see them pop up, but it's also join my Discord. I got links in the description. If you got an art supply thing you'd like me to check out or you think is really great, leave me a comment and maybe I'll do a review on it in the future. So thank you for watching. You take care and have fun.